Now, so far we have discussed in set language, we have proved some different kinds of formulas, that is commutative formula, associative formula, distributive formula. In such kind of formulas, we have proved through set language. Now, we are going to prove the same that formulas we are going by through Venn diagram, through Venn diagram, proving distributive formula through Venn diagram, proving distributive formula through Venn diagram. Now what to do that? This is the first formula, distributive formula. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. This is the formula. It should be memorized. Now after writing this formula, you just split this formula into left hand side and right hand side. I am taking left hand side here. That is A union B intersection C. And then I am just drawing, I am putting, this is Venn diagram. A, B, C or three sets are there. Three sets are mentioned in a circle. Now I am simply shading here. That is, I am shading A alone. That means it mentions the set A. In the second picture, what I am doing, I am shading B intersection C. The common elements in between B and C, that is I am shading here. Then afterwards A union B intersection C. After splitting this left hand side formula, once again I am adjoining A union B intersection C, that is A union B intersection C. I am shading, I am getting this kind of this one. Okay, now let me pass on to right hand side. In right hand side, that is A union B intersection A union C. I am splitting once again these two as A union B. I am taking A union B, I am shading A union B. Similarly, in the second picture, I am shading A union C. That is A union B. Now I am shading. கொஞ்சம் கட் பண்ணு. கரெக்ட் தான். A union B, A union C. Now I am finding for these two picture intersection. A union B intersection A union C. So I am getting this one. Here when you look, actually the result must be, if you go on doing the left hand side, the final picture should be equal to the right hand side final picture. When these two are equal, we can say that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is called verification. The question will be in this form. They will give this distribution formula and I will ask you to verify this formula is correct through Venn diagram. When we go on giving shadows for this Venn diagram after splitting, adjoining, in this way we will get the left hand side, the final picture of the left hand side should be equal to the final diagram of the right hand side. So afterwards finally we can write, therefore left hand side is the right hand side. So now the first formula is completed. Now let me pass on to the second one. What is second one? A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Now I am taking left hand side, that is A intersection B union C. After putting all the drawing these diagrams, now I am just shading, filling up the what is A, I am filling A alone. This shows A. Then B union C, A B union C. Then adjoining A intersection B and A intersection C. That is, sorry, here டக்கு இதை எடுத்து ஒதுக்கிட்டோம், அப்படியே புஷ் கூடாது. நவ் A intersection B union C. Now taking A separately, B union C separately, then adjoin A intersection B union C, we'll get this figure. Here, similarly, pass on to right hand side. A intersection B union A intersection C. Here, once again I am splitting these two sets. That is A intersection B. I am putting A intersection B here. I am shading in the diagram. Similarly, in the second picture, I am shading A intersection C. Then I am adjoining these two. When I union the A intersection B, union A intersection C, I will get this figure. Now, overall, if you see these two left hand side and right hand side figures, in this diagram, the final one is, we'll get this shadow. In the right hand side, we'll get this shadow. When we see the left hand side final shadow and the right hand side final diagram, left hand side final diagram, right hand side final diagram are equal, then we can say, therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then we can say, yeah, that is, once again, we have proved the second formula through Venn diagram. This is the way of just proving the distributed laws by Venn diagram. Thank you.